In this video, we're gonna check whether it is possible to install GCam on the Redmi 15. So to check that, we're gonna go to the Play Store and we need to search for an app that is called a GCam Editor. There we go. This is an example app that allows us to check that if there is a GCam available on the smartphone. So once it is installed, of course, we want to open it. So let's wait for the app to be installed. And now let's open it. All right. You don't have to agree for notifications. And over here we can see that camera to API is enabled, which is a good news, but unfortunately right now GCam is not available for this smartphone. We can request a GCam so that it may appear in the future. So if you're watching this video much later, if you install this app, you can check if it is actually available right now. Now, since it is not available, we can go to GCams over here at the bottom, and we can search for Redmi. We're gonna type Redmi, and now we're gonna scroll all the way down, and we're gonna try to find the newest version. So over here we even have some options with a check, so we can see them in a second. But I can see that over here we have newer versions. So we have GCam 9.3 in this case. Let's see if we can find something even newer. There's 9.4. And I think we're gonna go for this 9.4. So what I'm trying to do now is I'm gonna try to download the GCam that was made for a different model. As a drawback, sometimes there are bugs and because the app is not fully compatible, so we have to keep that in mind. Of course, unfortunately, we have an ad, but we should be able to close it in a second. So let me quickly do that. There we go. And once the process of downloading is done, we can just press OK. And now we're gonna go to the home screen. And what I was talking about was the compatibility, because of course this will be an issue in this case. So you can of course try to get a different version for a different smartphone that is quite similar. That's why we were looking for Redmi. And sometimes they work, sometimes they are compatible and they work just fine. In some cases, only some features are not working properly, and in some cases, you cannot use the app at all. So we're gonna check if we can actually use the app. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go to the file manager. Now over here, you should be able to find this APK file, which is the installation of the GCam. So we're gonna run it. Let's go to settings. We need to allow the file manager to install unknown apps. Select I'm aware of possible risks over here, and after 10 seconds we can press on this OK button. There we go. And then press install. Let's wait a couple of seconds. And once it is installed, we're gonna open it. If you see this information that the unsafe app was blocked, we can tap on the more details and press install anyway. Let's confirm ourselves, verify ourselves, sorry. And there we go, the camera app was installed, so let's open it and let's see if it works. Let's grant the permission. We don't have to allow location. Let's press done. All right, so the preview works just fine. I'm gonna try to take a photo. And let's grant the permission for a notification. And I think it actually made. Let's see if we can take a look. We can. Okay. And unfortunately, it seems that it crashed. So yeah, this is what I was talking about. Unfortunately, there might be some crashes. Something might not work properly. But at least we could take a photo. So I'm gonna also go to the video. And it seems that at least the preview is working. Let's record a quick video. There we go. And this time I'm gonna actually go to the, maybe not file manager, but the gallery. Let's open the gallery over here. And I'm not sure if the video is actually saved. But as you can see, there is some kind of potential, I guess. Some features might be working, as I mentioned. So you can give it a try, you can see if you like it, And that's pretty much it. So the answer is, I guess, maybe. It might work, but it's definitely not fully working right now. And perhaps in the future, if there is a dedicated version for this smartphone, then it might actually work. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.